Alright guys, so today we're gonna be back, me and Nick again, and today we're gonna be doing the We Could challenge, I guess. And
That's not a good name.
no, but we're gonna be doing it for 30 seconds each.
We're gonna start.
Yeah, we're gonna start it with
Play
me.
probably, but so we're gonna say we could for 30 seconds for each person.
Yeah, starting now, I guess.
Yep, go.
We could, 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 we could.
Time.
That's it. But now it's for Nick to do the challenge. Do the challenge.
We could. 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 We could. We could. Could. We could. 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 We 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 could. Could. We could. Could. We could. We could. We could. Could. We could. Could. We could. There we go.
And
That
that's
was
the
pretty
challenge.
dumb.
That's the challenge.
Yeah, I might have missed one or two, but then I typed it in chat, so.
Yeah. And that's the challenge done. And that's
Yeah.
the challenge done. We did it. And yeah. We did it. Sadly, we did it. And yeah, that's it.
See you next year.
Yeah, see you next year.